Welcome back. Today we are looking at the 48 watts commercial refrigerator, Reachin 36 Cuft 2-Sol review performance inches, every detail. As a designer who lives by the creed that clutter is the enemy of efficiency, I approach commercial kitchen equipment with a critical eye. Inches a high-volume restaurant, bar, or specialty retail shop, chaos is expensive. Every wasted motion, every awkward angle, and every erratic temperature fluctuation costs time, energy, and ultimately, capital. Check the video description for the updated price link. When evaluating the 48 watts commercial refrigerator Reachin 36 feet 2 solid door stainless steel commercial refrigerator fan cooling, my primary focus was clear: does this unit eliminate friction, or does it add cognitive and physical noise to a demanding workflow? Industrial refrigeration is rarely praised for its aesthetic restraint. Too often, commercial kitchens are cluttered with bulky, poorly engineered cooling units that hog precious floor space while delivering subpar thermal performance. However, this 48-inch two-door Reachin refrigerator strikes a rare balance between brute industrial capacity and refined, streamlined utility. Offering a massive 36 cubic feet of storage housed within a pristine stainless steel exterior, it is engineered for professionals who demand absolute reliability without aesthetic or functional baggage. If you are exploring broader operational efficiencies for your workspace, you might also find Insights Inches, our related product guide. Inches, this comprehensive review, we will dissect every element of this true commercial refrigerator Reachin, from its fan cooling mechanics and heavy-duty solid doors to its interior architecture and daily energy footprint. Let us explore why this appliance represents a masterclass. Inches functional design for modern commercial environments. True minimalist design is not about stripping things away until nothing is left. It is about maximizing purpose through absolute clarity. This 48-inch commercial refrigerator embodies this philosophy through its monolithic stainless steel construction. Stainless steel is the gold standard of commercial kitchens because it is non-porous, highly resistant to corrosion, and extraordinarily easy to sanitize, a non-negotiable requirement for health code compliance. The exterior surfaces feature a brushed finish that resists fingerprint smudges, maintaining a clean, professional aesthetic even during a frantic Saturday night dinner rush. The corners are precision-formed, and the integrated flush door handles eliminate the protruding levers or hooks that frequently catch on aprons, carts, or passing staff. Every square inch of the exterior communicates deliberate intent: no superfluous logos, no confusing plastic overlays, just pure, unadulterated metallic geometry. Beneath its serene exterior lies a powerhouse of thermal engineering. Let us break down the core structural and mechanical specifications that define this 36 cubic foot Reachin refrigerator. Dimensions: 48 inches wide, designed to optimize footprint to volume ratio. Inches tight kitchen layouts. Capacity: 36 cu. Of meticulously organized internal storage space. Door configuration: 2 solid insulated stainless steel doors with self-closing mechanisms and stay-open features. Cooling system: advanced forced air fan cooling system, ensuring rapid temperature pull-down and uniform distribution. Material composition: heavy-duty stainless steel exterior and corrosion-resistant interior lining. Shelving: adjustable, heavy-duty epoxy-coated wire shelves designed to hold heavy inventory loads without sagging. This hardware configuration is purpose-built to withstand the brutal environment of commercial kitchens, where ambient temperatures fluctuate wildly and doors are open dozens of times per hour. Inches refrigeration: thermal stability is everything. Fluctuating temperatures breed bacteria, spoil expensive ingredients, and force compressors to work overtime, inflating utility bills. This unit utilizes an advanced fan cooling forced air system, which fundamentally alters how cold air interacts with stored inventory. Traditional static refrigerators rely on natural convection, resulting in uneven temperature zones. The bottom might be freezing, while the top shelf remains dangerously warm. The fan cooling mechanism inside this 48-inch Reachin continuously circulates chilled air across all 36 cubic feet of interior space. This dynamic airflow ensures that whether ingredients are placed on the top shelf, deep the back, or right near the door seals, they experience an identical, stable microclimate. Furthermore, The rapid recovery time means that even after a busy line, cook keeps both doors open for 30 seconds retrieving prep pans. The internal temperature rebounds to safe holding zones within minutes. Check the link in the description to get yours today.